Hi guys. Welcome to IQ Search Channel. What is the value of the expression 3 to the power of 2 plus 1 then times 3 plus 3 divided by 3 then times 8 inside the parentheses? There's one step your brain will skip. Don't let it happen. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. As you can see on the screen and in this expression, first we have an exponent, addition, then multiplication, and finally parentheses. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses, because parentheses have higher priority than all other operations. And inside this parentheses we have addition, division, and multiplication. First we handle the division and multiplication because for multiplication and division, we work from left to right. So, first we do division between 3 and 3 because division comes before addition. We simplify this expression as 3 to the power of 2 plus 1 then multiply. 3 plus 3 divided by 3 equals 1 then times 8 inside the parentheses. Again we simplify parentheses, first we do multiplication between 1 and 8. Because multiplication comes before addition. And we rewrite this expression as 3 to the power of 2 plus 1 then multiply. 3 plus 1 times 8 equals to 8 inside the parentheses. Again we simplify parentheses, we do addition between 3 and 8. And instead of this expression we write 3 to the power of 2 plus 1 then times 3 plus 8 equals to 11. In the next step we have an exponent, addition, and multiplication. Next we handle the exponent. Because after parentheses, exponent has higher priority than all other operations. We simplify this expression as 3 times 3 equals to 9 plus 1 then times 11. Next we have addition and multiplication. First we do multiplication between 1 and 11. Because multiplication comes before addition. So we write 9 plus 1 times 11 equals to 11. Finally 9 plus 11 equals to 20, and this is the final answer to this expression. Did you get it right? Comment your answer and follow for more brain-twisting math challenges.